Hi, in this video we are gonna see how can we create video review in our WooCommerce store, like single page or any pages like home page, like this review and also this one and like this. To do that, we have to log in into our WordPress dashboard. Then we have to go to plugins menu and then click on add new plugin and search for here ProofWP. So I have already installed and activated this plugin. So just click on search for this keyword and click on install now and then click on active. After activation, you can see here a menu like ProofWP. So to create a video review, we have to go to all reviews section, and I have already created video reviews here, and for a test purpose I will create another review, add a name, author name and author email, and review text, this is a good product, and add your rating 4, 3 or 5, and add a product, which product belongs to this review, like this one, and select a video like this one, and we can add here also multiple videos, but right now I will stick with one video and click on save. So right now I am done with creating a video review. So now we have to create a widget like this. Click on here, create widget, and select Visual Widget and enter your widget title, my visual review, and go to next and select your video reviews here. I choose this one, this one, this one, and we can select too many reviews here. So for right now I am stick with this 4 reviews, and click on save and next. So here is my video reviews. So I can add for these reviews too many layouts like grid, slider and text slider like this, and also accordion slider and also Marquee, and we can also enable autoplay like this. For now I disabled it. There is too many options, styling options and display options or content options. And after all the changes, click on save button, and I will show this and also after click on saving button, just copy this shortcode, and for an example I will paste or show this shortcode in a single product page. Like I have created too many products here, and I will go for this product, click on edit, and just simply go to anywhere like product short description. I have already added a review here, but I will replace this shortcode with my currently created review shortcode. So this is my new shortcode, and after add that here, click on update or publish your product and hit the permalink, so I can see here my video reviews. So this is how we can create a visual video review in our WooCommerce store.